Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case for the Pixel 7 Pro, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I decided to pick up the Spigen Tough Armor case for the Pixel 7 Pro. I've been using Spigen for years now, and I'm really starting to like the Tough Armor case for all my devices. You picked up the Pixel 7 Pro and you want to protect your investment. Why not? Look how beautiful that thing is. You want to keep it beautiful looking. So the Tough Armor will help you do that. You gotta love the presentation from Spigen. Like we normally do in my videos, we'll make sure everything lines up. How does it fit? The overall, size of the phone. Does it have bulk to your case? To your phone? And do I really like the case or not? And can you wireless charge? But here's the case itself. Does come with a little kickstand. To be honest, the kickstand is not the selling point. I do like how the power button is ridged there. And then the volume rockers. The shock absorption pads in the inside. And a little brand in there. And then I know they have Tough Armor somewhere. Tough Armor there. Let's see how this thing fits. Alright, so do you get lip protection? Yes, you do at the top and bottom. I wouldn't slam it down, but you do. You also get the camera protection in the back. The power buttons, let's see, power button feels great. The volume rockers are easy to press. You gotta love the buttons. You know, if the buttons suck, then the whole case can suck too, but those were great. Everything lines up at the bottom. The microphone at the top lines up. This is a nice case. Does it add bulk to your phone? No, not at all. It has some, but it's not. This is definitely not a bulky case. But it does feel good. It's not slippery. I do like the feel of it. The overall grip on it. And then you have these corner protections too on each corner. So if you drop it, it will definitely fall on that corner. Now in the overall fit, nice and snug on the top and the bottoms and the sides. So I do like this case. Can you wireless charge? What y'all think? I don't think we'll have a problem. Like I said, I think it's becoming a moot point at this point in time because you don't really have a problem with charging these phones wireless. There's phones wireless with a case on it. Now let's check out the kickstand. So the kickstand is not the best. You're not buying this case for the kickstand, but it does work. And then you can also have it on a lower angle if you wanted to, like that. Doesn't work when it's standing up. Just doesn't do it. There's no way of doing it. But if you wanted your phone on an angle like that, it's pretty simple to use. It's just not like the strongest kickstand. But you're not really buying a case for this case for the kickstand anyway. But what y'all think about it? I do enjoy these cases. This will protect my phone. But if you want to pick it up, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 7 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.